Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite cat question quantifiers. And in yesterday's DILR morning episode, we did a very interesting set, and today we are going to cover a much more interesting set. This we covered in the time-based test form yesterday. So before we move to the set, like always, this is what you need to do if you wish to be the part of this free course. And secondly, if DILR is something which you are really scared of, this course is specially for you. If you are not able to comprehend well, if you are facing issues, this course is specifically for you guys. Right now, only one slot is left for availing this discount, and you can do that. Okay. So let's move to other set. What does the set say? During a recent hitting contest, 5 contestants were tested on their ability. Each of the contestants shot 60 arrows. So 5 contestants, 60 arrows. So total of 300 arrows were shot. Okay. The shots were classified into 3 types: hit, miss, almost hit. So hit, miss, almost hit. These are the 3 categories. Okay. Then each of them had put on a jacket of different color, and each of them was different year old. So each of them had a different jacket and each of a different color old from 21 to 25. So ages are 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. These are the ages we have. And the ranges of hit is given to us and the ranges of miss is given to us, but this is not in any specific order. Okay. And then the following details is given. So no name is mentioned as of now, no jacket color is mentioned as of now. So there are many variables in this question. First is obviously the ages, then who is the person, then his jacket, then hit, miss, almost hit, and the total shots, which are 60 for each person anyways. These are the number of variables I have to play with. So what I will do, I'll make a table of it in this form, a matrix, which will help me in allocating my data carefully. So let's move ahead. So first thing that was given to me, that number of hits, miss, and almost hit. The number of hits given to me are 25, 18, 23, 16, and 21 in any order from player 1 to player 3. So how many these are total in totality? 43, 66, 82, 103. Miss are 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24 basically. So 20 into 500. It is an AP of 20 into 2500. Okay. So almost hit will be, the total shots are obviously 300. So 102, 203, it will be 97. So this is what I know as of now. Ages are 21 to 25. So ages are 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So these are the ages. These are the only thing that is fixed. So let us try to fill the information and let us see what we can extract from here. Sharad's almost hit were 26. So this is a player Sharad who is almost hit is 26. This is Sharad. But he wasn't 24 years old. So this is not Sharad. Okay, Sharad somewhere here. Okay. Kavita's hit was 23. So this is Kavita. Hits are 23. And she had the lowest hit together with Chandru. So she had the lowest hit together with Chandru. Let's call the lowest hit Y, and Kavita and Chandru are having the lowest hit. Okay. Also, Kavita wasn't wearing a gray jacket. So there is a gray jacket which Kavita isn't wearing. Okay. Anything else? No. Person aged 24 hit 25 arrows and missed 22. So person aged 25 hit 25 arrows and missed 22 arrows. So his almost hit would be 13. 25, 22, 47, 30. So there is a number 13 also here. Okay. What else I have? Kavita was 21. So Kavita, this is Kavita. And what else I know about Kavita? That Kavita's hit were 23. This is known to me. And Kavita is not wearing a grey jacket. It is also known to me. And there was someone wearing blue and black jacket. So the two other colors are known. Jacket color, that is blue and black. Neither of Ankita nor Sharad wore a grey jacket. So Ankita ने भी नहीं पाई, शरद ने भी नहीं और कविता ने तो पहले ही नहीं पाई हुई थी. So there are these three people are not wearing. So it can be Chandru, let's say, or the fifth person is Pulkit. So it can be Pulkit only. So let's see what it is. Ankita is 1 year elder to Sharad. So ठीक है. Ankita is equal to Sharad plus 1. Person who is 23 missed 20 shots. So person who is 23 missed 20 shots, while person age 25 hit 21 shots. So person age 25 hit 21. So this was 24. So this is 24. This data was for 24. This is 25. This is 22. This is 13. And then I was saying person age 25 hit 21. So this is 21. Sorry, that was an error. Okay. Now, what ahead? Person is okay. Now, white jacket. So there is a white jacket was put on by a person who's almost hit his 23. So there is a person who has almost hit his 23. So almost hit is 23. While cream jacket was put on by a person whose miss is 24. So cream jacket is also existing and is worn by a person whose misses are 24. So these are the 5 jackets I have. Okay. Ankita had almost hit of 22. So there is a person with almost hit as 22. See, now I can see the top 3 almost hit are 26, 23 and 22. The below 2 people must have the same. So 26 and 23, 49 and 22, 71. So the 26 which is left for last 2 must be divided as 13 and 13. So the last 2 are 13 and 13. So if I put them in increasing order, decreasing order, 26, 23, 22, 13 and 13. These are the last 2 bits. So Kavita had 23 and Chandru also has 13. Sorry, Kavita had 13 and this also has 13. So now this is 23, this is 13. Then total shots are obviously 16. This must be 24. If this is 24, what do I know about 24? The person whose miss was 24 was wearing a cream jacket. So she is wearing a cream jacket. So this is what I know. So these are the facts that I have. So Kavita is 23, 26 is Sharad. Okay. Now who is this person? We were told that Kavita had almost lower shade with Chandru. So this must be Chandru. Now this is Chandru. Okay. If this is Chandru, what else I know? I know that Ankita was 1 year elder to Sharad. So there is only one possibility that this must be Ankita and this must be Sharad, because there is no other possibility in which Ankita can be 1 year elder. So what else do I know about Ankita? Sharad has almost hit of 26. Sharad has almost hit of 26. This is what I know. Ankita had almost hit of 22. So Ankita had almost hit of 22. So 22 and 22, 42. This is 18, and now this is 18. The rest I can fill, I think. So 23 is gone, 18 is gone, 25 is gone, 21 is gone. So this must be 16. So 26 and 16, 42, and this must be then 18. Then this must be 16, and then this must be 23. The person almost hit was wearing 23. Almost at 23 white jacket. So this must be white jacket. This person must be Pulkit. Now grey jacket was not being worn by Kavita, Sharad and Ankit. So Kavita, Sharad and Ankita are not wearing grey jackets. So this must be the grey jacket. So only 2 jackets are left that are black and blue. There is no much information. So this must be black. This can be blue, or this can be blue, and then this can be black. These are the 2 possibilities I have. This completes my set. Okay. Now, what are the questions? How many shots did Sharad hit? So shots hit by Sharad were 16. Chandu is wearing which color jacket? Chandu is wearing a grey color jacket. Okay. Who was wearing a black color jacket? The black color jacket was worn by either Sharad or Ankita, so it cannot be detected. So this completes my set somehow. I did a little error over here. Okay. So anyway, so this completes my set. I hope you guys understood it well. And if you wish to be the part of this legacy, join our course as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.